Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this paper cut photo effect in Canva, a designing platform where there will be pictures of people stuck on this flat surface, this cardboard surface, and then there will be some stickers as well, and then you can, do some handwritings. So let's start creating one. So let's say if we start from the very beginning, where there's this empty workspace or canvas. So let's search for a picture of a cardboard surface. So go to elements and then simply type cardboard texture. Look for cardboard texture. For example, this one, and then you resize it so that it fits with the width of the workspace, just like this. And then let's say if we look for a picture of a man, go to photos and then look for a picture of a man. Pick any picture actually. Let's say if you want to select this picture, and then we're going to need an app that will allow you to crop the outer part of the subject in this picture. In this case, this guy. But you don't want to precisely select the edges, just the outer part. So to do this, click on apps and then you simply type in Chopy Crop. This is the app. Click on it and then all you do is to select the outer part of the edge of this subject, which is this guy. Do it slowly. Alright, when you're done, close the curve. And then under preview, click on add to design to add it into your design. So here is the picture. We're going to add some shadows so that, it will create the look that it's stuck on this, cardboard surface. Click on edit and then head over to shadows. Click on drop. Decrease the blur amount and the distance just like this. You can even rotate it just like so. You can increase the blur amount if you want it to be more realistic. Then place it here, for example. Then let's say if we want to look for a picture of a girl, go to elements and then look for women. Go to photos and then let's say if you want to pick this one, and then let's do the same. You crop it. Click on Chopy Crop and then click on replace current image to replace the image that will be cropped. Remember to select the outer part of the edge of the subject. Just like this. And then when you're done, close the curve. And then click on add to design to add it to the workspace. And then resize it, edit, shadows, drop, decrease the blur amount and the distance as well, just like this. Then when you're done, you can simply put it somewhere here. For example, you want to put it somewhere here, just on top, and then you want to put it behind this guy. Right click, layer, send backward, just like this. And then let's say if you want to look for another picture of a male, go to elements and then type guy, for example. Go to see all. And then we're going to add this one, for example. Then we're going to crop it. Click on Chopy Crop, replace current image with this one, and then select the outer part of this guy's edges in this picture. Do it slowly, just like this. Once you're done, click on add to design. And then adjust the size, the rotation, and then add shadows. Edit, shadows, drop, blur amount, decrease it. The distance also decrease it. Put it behind this one. the guy, rotate it again, and then you're done. Actually, you can even add some more elements. For example, hearts as stickers. Type heart. And then let's say if you want to insert this one, and then click on Chopy Crop again. Replace current image. Remember to select the outer part so that it can create the look of this paper cut kind of effect, just like this. And then you close the curve, drag it just like this, and then click on Add to Design to add it into the design, just like this. And then click on Edit, Shadows, and then drop, and then decrease the blur amount and the distance as well, just like this. Then you can put it to the back of this girl. For example, right click, layer, send backwards several times, copy and paste this several times until you get the feeling of this love story scrapbook, where there's a girl and then like two guys are looking after this girl, so that each of them can date the girl, for example. And then you can even add some more elements. For example, hello as the sticker, and then you click on it, and then you click on Chopy Crop to crop it. Replace current image, don't forget. Click on Add to Design when you're pleased, and then you can add shadows again. Edit, shadows, and then drop, decrease the blur amount and the distance again, just like this. Resize it, and then hold on, rotate it just like this. And then you can even write on it. So click on Draw, and then click on this one. You can even change the color to let's say black. Then you can write like guy number 1. You can even adjust the width of the pen by clicking on this one, and then you decrease the weight by dragging the slider. Then you can write guy number 2, and then you can even add me. Okay, you're done creating this paper cut photo effect in Canva, looking like a scrapbook, but like these pictures of people are stuck on the surface of this cardboard material. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.